Hello friends, I've got a Scout ukulele to show you today. These are the ones I just make from scraps and when I can find the time, and then I offer them up to our wait list for them. And this one was really fun. The back and sides are some dogwood from the carpenter ant stash. This is a tree that was milled by Ken and stored on site for many years. We've just been getting going with it, and it's really nice wood. And I love it with the red cedar top. This cedar is from the hot tub that I salvaged from the Rebuild It Center, and I used to make all these drawers and cabinets here. So it's the same hot tub cedar, old, nice, very nice cedar. And same for the neck there. And then we did pistachio for the fretboard, headplate, and bridge, and I really had a good time with the graphs and the grain lines on this one. Check it out. Flowing into here with the same look. So I love how that turned out. Yeah, and then maple binding all around. Yeah, it's hard to go wrong with a red cedar top. They're always a winner. So yeah, 6:43, ready to go. Cheers.